Hello and welcome to the Smart Moving mod. As you can see, it offers a lot more little animations to your Minecraft player, and it's mainly for work in F5 mode, and it can be worked on servers, which is very good. And I've prepared a lot of tests over here so we can test them out. And firstly we encounter a ladder. Whoa, and firstly we encounter flying. Now flying is so much cooler now. If you stay still, your player wobbles in midair like that, and if you fly like a boss. So, if we stop flying, yeah, the ladder. So all we need to do is just walk up it, and we have an awesome little animation there, so let's just fall there. And that's the ladder, and oops, I forgot I had creative on. And I'll just turn it off. And now we have a 2-block high pair of blocks. And most people would struggle on this. They'd go, I can't get up, Well, not I. There are two ways with the Smart Moving mod that you can climb up this. You can either jump and press Control, and that'll just make you climb. Like so. And if you just don't jump, it'll very slowly take you up. But there is another way. If you hold shift, then hold spacebar, you'll notice at the bottom of my screen, above the armor, loads of arrows appear. That is the jump power. So, if I jump now, I will shoot 2 blocks, which is just pro. So, now we encounter a pool, which is hastily built because this mod apparently isn't compatible with single player commands, which is a problem. So, as you can see, we swim very epically. And hello! Oh, I like your face there, sir. And if you hold spacebar, you swim on the surface doing front crawl, and if you just let go, you will float there underwater. So, it's a very nice mod. I love the animations this mod equips into the work. And now we encounter a ceiling, and 1 second, I'm just going to do this. Oh yeah, don't need stairs, sir. I can jump. Now normally we would just jump and, oh, I fell off. What am I going to do? Well here, well in this circumstance you could either just jump, because we have the mod installed. Oh, what happened there? Yeah, I'll just skip onto it now. Well, basically what you can do is if you hold control and walk into it, it'll let you walk on the ceiling. So it only works with hatches and iron bars for now, but yeah, it's good. And now we encounter another problem. A 1-block high gap. Most people would be baffled by this, but no, not I. Hold shift, hold control, and then you can waddle through on your backside. And I love this. If you go in F5 mode, you can go like this. Down, 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 down. It's like a sunk. Yeah. Okay, so there is one more challenge which I yet cannot do. And it allows you to sprint sideways, and if you sprint, you will, if it'll work, well, I'll use this special button. If you press tab, it will sprint for you, and as you can see in the bottom, there is a power bar, and I have no idea what the power bar does, but it does something cool. So now here we will try and jump sideways, and to do this you've got to jump while double tapping D, and I can't do it, so well, that's a fail. Yeah, we'll ignore that. Screw you, cactus. There we go. throw the cactus into the pool, and now we have got an ordinary looking tree. What has this innocent tree got to do with the smart moving mod? Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's got a secret base in here? Well, it obviously has got a secret base, because I wouldn't have said it otherwise. So I can sneak under here, the tall grass obscuring the little gap here, and we can go into our base. Now, I've not put any chests in here for now because I can't be bothered. It's just a short little thing, so we can climb up our ladder and we can shift out. And at the moment I'm not pressing any buttons except forward and moving my mouse, so when you're under a 1 block high you don't suffocate if you're already using the 1 high thingy. And there is one other thing, well, there's a lot of other things, that's the whole point of this. One sec. Yeah, it gives a lot of, if it won't lag for me, yeah, it shows a lot of stuff on here if you want to know anything else which I may have missed. But there's one more which I know of, and if you're in midair, if you sprint, you jump and you press shift and control at the same time, you will slide like a boss. I like the word like a boss, just saying. So that is the smart moving mod. I'm now going to show you how to install this amazing mod. And for your benefit, I will try and make it as simple as possible, but it isn't a very simple mod, so yeah, I'll leave you there, and thank you for watching, and I'll just go on to the tutorial now. So, as with any mod, the first thing you need to do is close your Minecraft, otherwise it will glitch out. And there are 3 mods you need to use. You may have noticed before, I had 3 tabs up. You need the SMP, the Smart Moving Program, I suspect. API, I have no idea what this is used for, but it is good. And ModLoader, which is here. So firstly we will download them all, and as you can see at the bottom I've got them already downloaded, but I'll show you where you go to download it. So, Smart Moving first. What you do is you go to current version 6.1.1 and click on the Dropbox, or if you want MediaFire, Dropbox just gives you a direct link, and it will load you down here a link, well, the WinRAR file for the Smart Moving mod, or if you're on Internet Explorer it'll let you save it somewhere, so save it wherever you save it. API, it's on the top, client 1.4, and click Dropbox again, it'll save it down here, MediaFire if you want, I don't really care, and then, or if you're on Internet Explorer, save it to wherever you save it to. And the final one, ModLoader, which is a lot further down on the page, and it is there, just underneath all this FAQs, and click Download Direct or AdFly if you want to, and it'll download it to there. So now I just drag them onto my desktop, and as you can see I've got a new background and I've sorted it out so you can see everything. So the 3 mods you have I've put here, and as you can see my Minecraft is there and I've closed it. So what we need to do now is install it. So go to your start menu and type in %appdata%, there we go, and then click enter and it'll bring you to the roaming file. Now mine's upside down because I accidentally did it Z to A instead of A to Z, and I don't know how to return it. And so click on your .minecraft and then go to your bin, and then right click and open with WinRAR Archiver on the Minecraft executable jar. Okay, so we got it up here. Firstly, underneath the MISC, and no, above the MISC and underneath the lang, there should be in capitals a meta-inf folder. Delete this, as it is not necessary at the moment. So the first mod we'll install will be the, if I can close this, the Smart Moving mod. So drag it to the side, and here we go. As you can see there are 5 WinRAR files here. Each one has its own purpose, but for this we're using it for single player. So you use the mod for modloader.zip, which is the second one, and double click that, and you can close that now, and it'll give you just 3 little things. So highlight it, and then drag it underneath the title file to where I've got TMI button. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it. And then you can close that. Now the next one we shall do is mod loader. So just put it here and highlight everything there and drag it again underneath the title, and it's let go, so it's done. So that's 2 mods very quickly installed. But now comes the dodgy one, the API. What you need to do is open it and put it here. Now before you start and jump ahead, do not drag everything and put it under, as the readme.txt is unnecessary for this, as it only tells you what's in the mod, and the changelog is also unnecessary and I don't know what it's for. The ones you need are the ones between DI class and player-based sorting class. And to select these only, you'll be like, "Why? I'm used to selecting all of them like this." Well, don't be, as what you need to do is you click on that, hold shift and press the bottom one, and it'll select these, and then just drag those underneath the title file again. And this is as simple as that. So you can close that now, close that, and make sure it works. Open your Minecraft up, and if you don't get a black screen like this and Mojang appears, you've done it right, so you should be happy. And if you want to find out all the little niggles in how to do everything, go on to Minecraft forums _topic-3614330-100 SMP-smart-moving-, and it's there, and it's underneath the installation, and my computer's lagging because this does make it lag a bit, so if you've got a bad computer, do not install this mod. There you go. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry for the late upload today, but I've had problems with doing this, as it's taken quite a few attempts, and we shall close it because it's come to an end now. And don't forget to always leave a comment if there's any mods that you would like to see installed and know how to play. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you next time.